Good evening, all of you. Today we will discuss about the conductions of the nerve impulse through the synapse. Right. So first is, what is the synapse? Synapse is the close proximity area between the two neurons. Right. So first is the synapse. Topic is the conductions of nerve impulse through synapse. Right. So synapse is the close proximity area between two neurons. This is the first neuron, cell body, dendroids, axon, and that is the axon terminal, and this is the axon bulb. Right? This is the axon bulb. This is the first neuron or the one neuron. And again second neuron, same, cell body or the soma, axon, terminal, and the axon node, and this is the dendrites of the second neuron. Right? So this close proximity area between the two neurons, these space or the area are known as the synapse. So when we talk about the definition of the synapse, so synapse is the close proximity area between axon and of one neuron and the dendrites of other neuron. These are known as the synapse. So how the conductions of the nerve impulse through the synapse from the one neuron and the second neuron takes place. So for this, we classify the synapse into the two categories. One is the chemical synapse and second is the electrical synapse. And the functions of both synapses are the different and depend on the space. Right? So these synapses are the classified into the two categories. One is the chemical synapse and second is the electrical synapse. First is the chemical synapse. In the chemical synapse, the conductions of the impulse from one neuron to the another through the synapse is taking place with the help of a chemical, and these chemicals are known as the neurotransmitter. Right? So in the chemical synapse, conductions of the nerve impulse through the synapse, and these synapse taking place by the chemical, and chemical are known as the neurotransmitter. But in the electrical synapse, the conductions of the impulse takes place by the ions or the charge between the one neuron to the next neuron or the second neuron. So here, the conductions of impulse by ions or charge. Right? And these conductions of the nerve impulse depends on the space or the area between two neurons. In the chemical synapse, these areas are very large, right? So the space between two neurons are more in the chemical synapse, so the chemical are the required. But in the electrical synapse, the space or the area between two neurons are very small. So here the ions or the charges are required, and these ions or the charge are travel or the jump from one neuron to the another neuron. Right? So here the space between two neurons is more. So chemical are required. And in the electrical synapse, the space is different. Sorry, is very less. Right? So how the conductions of the nerve impulse takes place between two neurons? Before this, we explain the structure of the synapse. Now we will discuss about the structure of the chemical synapse or the synapse. Right, and synapse is the area between the two neurons. So this is the axon end of the one neuron, right? And this is the dendrites of the other neuron. This is the axon bulb of one neuron, and this is the dendrites of second neuron or the other neuron, right? And these space between two neurons are known as the synaptic cleft. These are the synaptic cleft. In the chemical synapse, it is about 10 to 20 nanometer. And in the electrical synapse, the synaptic cleft, that is the space between two neurons, is about 0.2 nanometer. Right? But when we talk about the membrane of the axon bulb and the dendrite membrane, so the membrane of the axon bulb are known as the presynaptic membrane. And the membrane of the dendrites of other neuron are the postsynaptic membrane. On the presynaptic membrane, some calcium channels are present, and these calcium channels are triggered by the voltage. So here the voltage gated calcium channel are present. So this is the calcium channel. Voltage gated calcium channel, through which calcium ions move inside from the medium to the axon bulb. In the axon bulb, some vesicles are present, and these vesicles are known as the synaptic vesicle. And in the synaptic vesicle, neurotransmitters are the present, and these neurotransmitters are transmitted from the one neuron to the other. Right? So these are the synaptic vesicles. And this vesicle is filled by the neurotransmitter. Mainly neurotransmitter is the acetylcholine and the epinephrine hormones. Right? So this neurotransmitter is the acetylcholine. On the postsynaptic membrane, some ion channels are present, such as the sodium channel and the potassium channel. So on the postsynaptic membrane, some potassium channel also present. This is the potassium channel. On the postsynaptic membrane, some chemoreceptors are present, on which the neurotransmitters are binding. Right? So here the some chemoreceptors also present. This is the chemoreceptors. On the postsynaptic membrane, on which these neurotransmitters bind. That this is the structure of the synapse.